Hello, baseball fans. You're probably wondering why I'm eating this bag of popcorn. Well, it's because when I go to baseball games, I love hot dogs and popcorn and Cracker Jacks. We're standing here at what will be the entrance of the Majestic Park baseball fields in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Let's find out what's been happening in this Majestic Park construction update. As we fly over the site, the first thing you may notice is that the lights for Majestic Park have been installed. As much as I love watching baseball on a cool summer day with the breeze blowing out to center field, a night game is a great setting for baseball. The field straight ahead is the full-size field that will host high school and college games. Wouldn't it be great to see the Travelers take a few swings here too? On our left is the first of all 4 youth fields. This view shows how all 4 fields come together. I see the concrete has been poured for 3 of the 4 grandstand areas, and I've heard lots of talk about beginning the AstroTurf installation. Here we are again, swinging around the main entrance to take one last look at the progress at the Majestic Park fields. And that's our construction update for May at the Majestic Park baseball fields. If you listen closely, it's a construction site. We've got big machines working, we've got cement things twirling, we've got saws happening. It's all happening here, and the sounds that I hear in the future are the crack of a bat here at Majestic Park baseball fields. I've been Bill Solider, and this is your Majestic Park update. Check majesticpark.org for updates, and we'll see you next month.